Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 3 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, it is 260 kilometers from Patna to Ranchi by air and 320 kilometers by road. An aeroplane takes 30 minutes to go from Patna to Ranchi, whereas a deluxe bus takes 8 hours. So let us write the distance of traveling by air and by road. So the distance is by air is 260 kilometers and by road is 320 kilometers. Also the time given to travel this 260 kilometers by air is 30 minutes, which is equal to half an hour, and by road is 8 hours. So therefore, in the first part they are asking average speed of the plane. So average speed of the plane, first of all let us define what is average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. So the total distance which the plane travels, in the A part they are asking for the plane, so therefore total distance the plane travels would be equal to 260 kilometers and divide by the total time it takes to travel this distance is half an hour. So the average speed of the plane would be 520 kilometers per hour. In the B part, it is asking the average speed of the bus. So bus travels 320 kilometers in 8 hours. So the average speed of the bus, this is for the plane, average speed of the bus would be equal to, distance is 320 kilometers and time taken by the bus is 8 hours. So it would be 40 kilometers per hour. So this is the average speed. Now in the C part they are asking about the average velocity of the plane. So to calculate the average velocity, let us define the average velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement, as it is a vector quantity. So we will use a vector quantity in the top, total displacement divided by total time. So in the C part they are asking about the average velocity of the plane, average velocity of the plane. So therefore let us define the average velocity of the plane would be, total displacement would be, assuming that the plane travels in a straight line, we are assuming the displacement to be 260 kilometers. And the time taken by the plane is 30 minutes. So again 0.5 hours. So it will be again 520 kilometer per hour. In the D part they are asking about the average velocity of the bus. Now this part is the trickiest part in this question. they are asking for the average velocity. Now what will we take the total displacement of the bus? Suppose this is Patna and this is Ranchi. Suppose the bus travels like this and reaches Ranchi, and it moves for 320 kilometers, and the plane moves straight from Patna to Ranchi, because there is no obstacle for a plane. On the road there can be obstacles, so it has to take turns and reaches in 320 kilometers, but for the plane there is no obstacle, so it moves straight from Patna to Ranchi, that is 260 kilometers. So the displacement of the bus, distance is 320 kilometers, but the displacement always is a straight line joining the initial and final point. So the displacement of the bus from Patna to Ranchi would be 260 kilometers. So we will take in this case 260 kilometers as the displacement, and the time taken by the bus would be, it is 8 hours. So this is 8 hours as in the previous part. So therefore the velocity, average velocity of the bus would come out to be 32.5 kilometers per hour. So for the plane, the average speed and average velocity, they both are same, but for the bus the average speed is 40 kilometers per hour and the average velocity is 32 kilometers per hour. Thank you.